Hi there. This is the login page of any WooCommerce store. And the problem with this login page is that it is not protected from bots or any other sort of bad actors with the help of reCAPTCHA. In just a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how you can add Google reCAPTCHA into this login page. So let's get started. I'll go back to my dashboard and I'll open up Swift Commerce. Inside Swift Commerce, I'll head over to Spam, and inside Spam I'll click on reCAPTCHA. From here I can easily enable the Google reCAPTCHA. First I'll have to click on enable, and from here I'll choose the provider. In the provider list I have three options: Google reCAPTCHA, Cloudflare Turnstile, and EdgeCAPTCHA. So I'll choose the Google reCAPTCHA, and from here I can choose either I want to enable reCAPTCHA v3 or v2. So right now I'm in the mood for reCAPTCHA v2, where I can click manually and prove that I'm not a robot. So here I've already got the API keys. I'll paste them right here, and then we can move on saving those changes. I've pasted my API keys, and now I'm going to click on save changes. Now before saving changes, I also want to make sure that this location I'm enabling the reCAPTCHA for, which is the WooCommerce login page, I have enabled it. So here you can see that it is not enabled. So I'll click on this one and I'll hit save changes. Here the reCAPTCHA will be saved on the WooCommerce login page. I'll go ahead to the login page. Since I'm on the incognito mode, so I'll just hit refresh and I'll see the reCAPTCHA appearing perfectly fine. You can see it is appearing fine, and I have to click on here to make sure that I am not a robot. And that's how easy it is to add a reCAPTCHA to your WooCommerce login page. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.